Hey, to extend the battery lifespan on the Samsung Galaxy A35 5G, it's actually recommended to go into the settings, then scroll down, open the battery, and now select this option, the battery protection. Now when you click on it, you've got the description. So you've got basic, adaptive, and the maximum. So the basic actually, it's when we charge our battery, and it's on the 100%, so it's actually stop the charging until the battery level drops down to 95, and then the charging will start again. The adaptive is actually to use maximum while we are asleep and switch to the basic before we wake up. Sleep time is actually estimated based on our phone usage patterns, and the maximum is actually highly recommended. The battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. So the best option is actually to change the 80%, but of course if you are, I don't know, outside and you will be not able to recharge your phone for like few hours, it's actually good to get this basic one to recharge your phone into the 100%. So that's how it looks. From this you can also turn it off by tapping on the switcher. Right now, please subscribe.